What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell, it's going to be all about hair. So I've been seeing on YouTube recently, everybody's been doing a hair review about Natural 85's new melanin hair care product. I planned on ordering it, but it's clearly not here yet. So I wanted to actually give it, do a wash and go with an old product set that I had from the Curl Smiler. I don't know if you guys have seen my review on the Curl Smiler. If not, check it out up here. But I did a review on them as far as a twist out a long time ago. But after watching a couple of reviews today on the melanin hair care line, I definitely want to try that product out. And since it's going to take a couple of days to actually get here, I decided that I need to wash my hair and do it because it's been looking like crap the last couple of days. So I'm going to do wash and go, basically using a different moisturizer, this new gel that I found, and some hot six oil. So I'm going to do this review now, and then when I do get those products from the melanin hair care line, I'm going to redo the same method using their oil, their moisturizing curling custard cream or whatever it's called, and I'm also going to be using the a different type of gel. But depending on how this gel does in my hair, I might use it as well. But I just washed my hair. I actually just found I just did a really quick wash and condition. I didn't do anything like no deep conditioning or anything like that, but I used this these products, the Aussie Miracle Curl, or is that what it's called? Yeah, the Miracle Curls shampoo and conditioner, and it comes with it's with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It smells so good too. I don't know if it's the jojoba oil or what, because it doesn't really smell like coconut, but it smells so good. But anyway, I just washed and conditioned it. Oops. I just washed and conditioned it with those products. I don't have anything on my skin right now. I look dry and pale, but it's all good. So I have it in these 4 sections. My hair is still damp. I'm not going to wet it anymore because, you know, why? Why do I need to do that? My hair, when it's wet, it looks so much darker than it actually is, but this is what my hair looks like right now. I rinsed out the conditioner while it was in those braids, in these little braids here, so it might still be a little bit left in my hair, but I'm cool with that. But I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, this is the gel that I found. It's called Schwarzkopf Smooth Shine for Botanical Oils. It's for curly and coily hairs. There's no sulfates added. It has camellia oil and shea butter. It's a curl defining gel. So that's what I found. I bought it at Walmart for like $6. I was actually trying to go try out the extreme was it extreme wetline or whatever it is, that type of gel, because I usually use Eco Styler, and I've been hearing good things about that extreme wetline gel, and they're sold out like everywhere. And I'm like, no wonder, it's like $2. But I seen this in the store. There was another one in there as well, but I saw this and I was like, let's give it a try. This is what smells like gel. It's really a thick consistency. Can you guys see that? Okay, there you go. So it looks like that. So I'm going to be putting that on my hair, and like I said, instead of using the melanin hair care products, because I don't have any right now, I bought this what's it called, the Curl Smiler. I bought this, probably has hair in here, don't judge me guys, but I bought this a while ago from a girl on Instagram. She makes her own products in-house, and it actually does really well with twist outs. Smells great. I bought 2 of these. It's been a while. I haven't really twisted out my hair in a long time, but I'm actually going to use this as my moisturizer, and I have a little bit of hot six oil left over in here, and I'm using it as my sealant. So I'm going to do this, a little bit of the oil, and then the gel, and we're going to see what it turns out to be. Okay, so I'm going to do these in not small sections, but they're definitely not going to be huge sections. Alright, so now that it's been in here for a little while, I'm starting to like it a little bit more now. Like, it's starting to, I just finished this side in the bathroom because I didn't feel like sitting here, but I'm starting to feel it a little bit more. we're gonna go ahead and knock out this last little section and call it a day. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling it at some point, but oh, this hair is just so soft right now. This is the before and after. You see how, y'all understand, this hair is so soft right now. Like super soft. Super, super, super soft. But we're gonna go ahead and knock this last section out so we can go to bed because it's like midnight. I don't even know what time it is actually. It might be midnight. And then rise up. Go ahead and put some on our ends. I haven't even been using my Denman brush anymore. I've just been like finger detangling. Unless I feel like it's super dry, then I'll use it. Ooh, that was a lot of gel. Oh well. This is a lot, but it is what it is. See my fingers? I feel like the more product I use, the easier it is for me to, you know, use my fingers and go through. I'm not going to scrunch it actually because I want it to stay elongated. And that's one thing I'm realizing right now. It's starting to shrink a little bit, but for the most part, it's not really, you know, it's not shrinking up too much. This is too much gel on my hands, so we're gonna go ahead and like put this over here somewhere. And I rise up. I rise like a day. I rise up. Natural hair is so beautiful, but it's so complicated. It's not really complicated for me because I don't make it complicated, but when I watch some of these videos and people talk about the type of hair they have, whether it's 4A, 4B, 4C, I honestly don't know what type of hair I have. I'm assuming I have a type 4 hair. I'm assuming that part. Whether it's A, B, or C, I don't know. Because I will always say in my mind I got 4C hair. However, after watching people's videos and read some of the comments and people be going off on them, like some people I feel like has similar hair texture to mine. And people are always going off on them like, you don't have 4C hair, you don't have this, you don't have this. I feel like when my hair is wet, it's one texture. When that bad boy is dry, it's a whole nother texture. So I don't have time to be saying, oh, I'm 4A, I'm 4B, I'm 4C. Honestly, I don't know, and I don't care. Like, if I'm being for real, I don't care. I just know I have natural hair. It's mine. It grew from my head. And that's it. Some people might say I'm not fully natural because I have color in my hair. What color is it? I don't know. I've colored my hair a few different times. And I did bleach it at one point. And then I tried to dye it like a rose gold pink color. It didn't really work. So I don't even know what color my hair is at this very moment. And people always tell me they love my hair color and they like it and blah, blah, blah. And they ask me the color. And I'm pretty sure they are thinking that I'm just telling them I don't know because I don't want nobody else to have it. But I legit don't know what color my hair is. Like, I'm sorry, people. I don't know. That's what it is. So, yeah. I feel like a similar color would probably be like a honey blonde. Or like a, I don't know. I feel like my hair looks like Reese's Pieces. Or like Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. It's like the peanut butter-ish chocolate color sometimes. I did at one point try to dye my hair like a peanut butter brown or like a chocolate brown, and it didn't do anything. So, or I think it took for like a little bit, and then after like 2 weeks it kind of just like, I don't know if you can tell, like, but that was like, I haven't dyed my hair, I want to say, in like a year maybe, or at least like 7-8 months. It's been a long time since I've dyed my hair. Whew. is where we are right now. I'm trying to think if I want to draw. Oh, first of all, hold on. Alright, I had to wipe my face off a little bit because ew. Alright, I'm trying to think if I want to dry it a little bit. I think I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit and then go to sleep. I don't think I'm gonna go to bed with it like completely wet. So ooh. I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I dried it a little bit, but not a whole lot. It's way too wet right now and my arms hurt. So if I tried to blow dry this, it'd probably take me like 30 minutes to do it. So I'm about to put this bad boy up in a pineapple and take my behind to bed. And then we can see what it looks like tomorrow. I just want to know, I just want to say that I'm definitely like really happy with the way that it's looking right now. When I first started doing this, I was not feeling this gel. I wasn't feeling it. I felt like it wasn't, you know, defining my curls the way I wanted them to. But it just was a process. It just took a little longer, or maybe I just wasn't seeing it right away. But let me tell you, the way it's looking right now, hold on, let me see. If I have my little bang, you know, that's clearly too much for my life. But yeah, I'm loving this. It feels like, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels really lightweight on my head. I think that's due mostly in part to this curl smaller. I had 2 jars of this. I don't know what I did with the other one. I don't know why I'm trying to talk through my hair right now. But yeah, this due mainly in part to this curl smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up in the pineapple. Oh, this feels so good. And then, yeah, I'm going to come back in the morning and let you guys know what it's looking like. So I'll see you guys then. Oh. Nah, I'll be back in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm back and these are my results. Disclaimer, my hair is still so freaking wet. I think I did it so late last night and I didn't like dry it halfway through like I planned to. So I woke up this morning, my hair is still super wet, and I think it's because once that oil is on top of my hair, it takes so much longer to dry. However, it's still wet. I try to just diffuse it for a couple of minutes, but I have to go to work, so I don't have time. So I'm gonna have to let it air dry, and I'll try to come back later maybe at the end of the day so you can see how it looks when it's fully dry. But right now this bad boy is still super wet. Yeah, especially like right here. It's so wet, but my curls are looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. But as I said, I'm going to come back a little bit later, maybe towards the end of the day. I'll shoot a little clip or something so you guys can see just how it looks when it's dry. But I love to shake it a little bit and just let it fall into place and see where it goes. Alright guys, so this is a couple of hours later. I went to work around 9. It's like 4:35 right now, so I'm home. And yeah, I didn't go to work for full 8 hours, don't judge me. But my hair is still not dry. It's not wet, but it's like not dry. I think it's just the oils I'm feeling. I don't know if you can see my hands. Can you see the hands? Can you see the hands? Let me fix this light first of all. I feel like this light is not giving me what I need. But yeah, can you see the hands? So I have like, it's not sticky. I don't know. It's whatever. Anyway, so this is my hair right now. I love the results. It's nice and fluffy. It's so soft, so soft. So I definitely recommend anytime doing a wash and go to put some type of moisturizer underneath of it. I usually don't. I'm usually just using water and oil and the gel, or just water and gel, or just oil and gel. Sometimes I'll do a dry wash and go because it doesn't flake as often or as soon as it usually does. But I'm looking forward to this. All the like little cute little styles and stuff that I'm going to do with this when it starts to get old. And I live in Florida. It's hot as hell. The humidity is a mess. But let me see if I can show you guys the back. I didn't fluff it out really, or you know, stretch it or nothing like that. It's just, this is just what it is right here. Yeah, so those are my results, and